Please note that your car radio must be set to aux in order for the Adaptiv to function correctly. For the Mercedes A-Class, the Adaptiv is controlled via the side buttons shown here. To access the Adaptiv, simply press and hold the C button. Once the Adaptiv has loaded, you will then be presented with a wide array of options. One of the biggest aspects of the Adaptiv is the iGo Primo navigation system. Because the A-Class has no touchscreen capability, we have included a touchpad which works wirelessly with a USB dongle. The touchpad fits conveniently within your cup holder like so. As shown here, the touchpad works seamlessly with the Adaptiv. An important feature of the navigation is that you can calculate and choose fast and easy to follow routes by either laying down a marker on the map or by inputting the postcode. The navigation also includes green routing options as well as a stunning 3D visualization which provides a rapid understanding of your next maneuver. Let's now look at the video menu. You have the option to add a DVB tuner allowing for terrestrial television to be played on your screen, the option to add an external AV source such as a portable DVD player or dashcam, and by connecting your own HDMI cable via the Adaptiv side connector, you are then able to play videos from your smartphone on your car screen. If we head now into the Media submenu, you have the option to view photos and videos from both a USB and SD card. Also, by using an Apple connection cable, you can use the iPod function to browse and listen to music which will live stream from your iPhone or iPod. As shown here, the Adaptiv will give you full control of the music through a set of side controls. In addition, whilst connected this way, your iPhone or iPod will also be charged along the journey. The Adaptiv also allows for the addition of a DAB tuner. Once attached, you will then have access to a range of DAB channels which can be customised to a certain preset and shown within the list mode alphabetically. The amount of channels is depending on your signal strength and location. The Adaptiv is a fully customisable product. If we look at the sound submenu, you have the choice of changing the audio levels for the navigation, USB, iPod, HDMI and much more. In the settings submenu, you have the chance to view information and files relating to the Adaptiv's general software, as well as the opportunity to adjust and personalise a wide array of options. Within the settings, you can choose whether an aftermarket camera is turned on or off, change the media in and Navi output, and change the source of the HDMI to work with either the Apple or Android platform. You can also change the colour display of the Adaptiv, making it either vibrant or sombre. Depending on your native tongue, the Adaptiv includes a wide range of languages for you to choose from, all represented by the respective national flag. The Adaptiv is a truly adaptable experience that has been tailor-made for the modern car user.